Biafra Liberation Army. He said that Tinubu have declared war on them, that fighter jets has been flying since 3 days now and dropping bomb on them. They have dropped another bomb again today. So I'm going to play you a video where he said this thing. Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Have you give us a follow? Give us a follow so that you will not forget, and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel where everything is happening. My people, you are welcome back. Let's talk about this update we'll get today. They say Biafra Liberation Army have shown a video where been lamenting how they have been dropping bomb on them for 3 days now. I'm going to play you a video. You hear it from him saying, here we don't forge anything. We play a video and show you who say and not we say. Let's watch the video. I will come back and analyze this video more.
Chupo kike, kele rigiki. Otuto, tigiki. Good morning, people of Biafra. Good morning, wonderful children of God. Wonderful. This great God, the Creator, Chukwu Okike, Abiyamara, is really great. I'm very happy to be part of my ancestors. I am so much happy to be part of this generation. I'm very much happy. I pray and I wish in my next life I should come back to this holy land of Biafra. Because what Chukwu Okike is showing us now is more than wonderful. Those miracles you have been hearing in the church concerning the children of Israel in the land of Egypt is happening right now in my presence, in my own very time. So I want the world to know that Tinubu have declared war in Southeast, but that is not a problem anyway. But let me share the message to the world that, and also tell Tinubu that this war he declared on the Southeast against the Biafran people, it will backfire them. In fact, I don't want to speak too much grammar. Tinubu, you don't declare war on the Southeast, abi? Every morning, every afternoon, they carry fighter jet where you buy, you sign in the name of going to fight Niger. Come to Biafra land and they throw bomb. I want the world to know that the fighter jet have come again, about 120, and throw bomb in our land and run away again. Tell the world, today date is 10th of August 2023. Thursday, 10th of August 20. No problem. I also tell them that upon all those things they throw, no single soul is lost. Network have been disturbing a lot. I think I have to end this broadcast now to start again, maybe later in the evening. But help me pass the message that I have come again and I have thrown as many bombs they can in the land of Biafra. But tell them that the whole bomb they thrown, no single soul is scratched. Not even scratched, talk less of dying. Yes, at the end, Biafra must be restored. Yes, that is the message I want you to pass to them. You came yesterday and you have come again today. Maybe tomorrow you might not see your way back home. Believe you me. Nothing you will do to make us bow down. Apart from giving us Biafra, nothing you will do. You see this Biafra restoration? You see that you give us Biafra in peace, or we will destroy all of you. At the end, we will still get this Biafra. Pass this message across. I want to thank each and every one of you that are supporting this freedom. May Chukwu Gika Biama bless and protect you all. Sit at home, continue till tomorrow. God bless you.
Welcome back. As you have watched that video, you hear him saying how the military jets are being throwing bomb on them, that unfortunately they didn't lose anybody, and they are safe and sound. And he also say in this video that it's Tinubu that have declared war on them. So you hear him said everything from the beginning to end. So guys, what do you think about what this Biafra Liberation Army is saying? Do you agree with his thoughts, or do you agree? So let's talk in comment section. Don't forget to give us a follow and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update.